What is Plant Based Recipe Cookbook 2.0 program? The Plant Based Recipe Cookbook is 100 delicious plant-based recipes to cook tasty vegan recipes for fast weight loss, boosting metabolism and great health. Advantages of Plant Based Recipe Cookbook 2.0 program. Using the Plant Based Recipe Cookbook 2.0 program, you will be able to lose weight, cure heart diseases, treat high cholesterol level, normalize your blood glucose and improve your health easily, quickly, and naturally. The Plant-Based Recipe Cookbook 2.0 recipes are fulfilled of fibers, antioxidants, nutrients, mineral and vitamins which are very important for your physical and mental health. You will not only be able to provide your body with all the nutrients it needs, but you will help your body to get rid of all the harmful chemicals, toxins and dangerous substances. The healthy and delicious recipes inside the Plant-Based Recipe Cookbook 2.0 will help you to keep on vegan diet and never give up. All the foods, fruits, vegetables and ingredients used by the Plant-Based Recipe Cookbook 2.0 program are very cheap, healthy and you can find them easily at any supermarket. You will find tens of recipes for every meal, breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks and dessert recipes. You don't need to know anything about cooking or recipes, just follow the Plant-Based Recipe Cookbook 2.0 recipes and prepare any recipes in just 30 minutes. You will also get access to a shopping list of all the foods, fruits and vegetables you need to make any recipe. The Plant-Based Recipe Cookbook 2.0 method is very simple, easy to follow, safe and healthy. All the Plant-Based Recipe Cookbook 2.0 recipes are very delicious, tasty, easy to prepare, and only take minutes to prepare. One-time payment, no monthly fees or subscriptions. What you will get when you buy Plant-Based Recipe Cookbook 2.0 product. The Plant-Based Recipe Cookbook 2.0, over 100 delicious vegan recipes. BONUS 1, the Vegan Diet 30-Day Jumpstart Guide for free. BONUS 2, the Green Smoothie Lifestyle Free ebook. BONUS 3, your vegan grocery list for free. BONUS 4, the 4 free meal plans. Disadvantages and complaints of Plant-Based Recipe Cookbook 2.0. If you have any healthy problems, please consult your doctor before using the Plant-Based Recipe Cookbook 2.0. The product is digital format only, no physical format found. You may get confused the first time you use Plant-Based Recipe Cookbook 2.0, so you need some patience and more trials. The results are not typical and may vary from one person to another.